Okay.
Okay, Julian can go first.
What do you want to try first, Julian?
This.
Okay, that is the wait. First off, Hugo, can you tell us what we have? Wait, before you do that.
Here we have kumquat, jackfruit, and ribeye steak.
So we have kumquat, jackfruit, and ribeye steak. Is that right?
Okay, I'm full.
Okay, you gonna try the kumquat first, Julian?
But I need my bowl.
Okay, there's the bowl. Let me get you a bowl. Oh, the bowl's here, Julian. There it is. Here you go, sweetheart. All right, you ready, guys?
The bowl's just in case we don't like it.
Okay. Can you turn it this way? Face me, please.
I'm trying to crack open the shell. That's a gross.
Oh, you just eat that whole thing, Hugo.
I know, but okay. Let me. I don't want. It was gross.
You didn't like that one?
Just a second.
You're supposed to eat the whole shell, Hugo. You just eat the whole thing all at once.
Okay, just a second.
Okay. What do you think? 1 to 10, Hugo. What do you say?
Yeah.
What do you think, Hugo?
CD. Smell the seeds.
Yeah, some seeds in it? Okay. What'd you think, man?
I like this.
That's right.
That was good. No, I would give it a 3 out of 10 because it was seedy and I didn't like that.
Julian, what do you give it out of 10?
No, you didn't. I'll give it an 8.
You give it an 8 and Hugo gives it a 3. I'm going to try one too. Okay. I like it. It's refreshing. Slightly bitter, but mostly sour. I'm going to give it an 8 with Julian. All right.
Now, for our last contestant, we'll have Mom.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a try.
Bitter?
No.
Not juicy?
It's sour.
I don't like it.
Oh, then spit it out.
It's a 4.
A 4. So we have 3, 4, and 2 8s. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next thing we have is what, Hugo?
What we're going to try next is ribeye steak, which I've been most looking forward to.
Okay. Give it a try. Ribeye steak, you say? And this is something Hugo picked out.
This is some good stuff. I like it.
You want to try it too, Julian?
Oh, no.
You don't want to try the ribeye steak? You got to try all 3, Julian.
Okay.
Okay, here you go, man.
Sure, I don't have a fork.
There you go, sweetheart. Slightly bitter. How is it?
Bad.
You don't like it? Dad's going to try the steak.
This is good.
All right, you get more if you want. Give that to Mom.
Mama?
I need a little bit smaller.
That's too different. That's bad. That's good.
It's good.
But this
It's cooked medium instead of medium well.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Minus points for that. I'll give it a 7.
All right. Hugo, what do you give it?
It tastes good. Slightly bitter. So 7.1 out of 10.
Gotcha. So 3, 7.1. Julian, what do you give that steak?
A 7.
You give it 8 and 7. Okay, last one, guys.
And what about what are
Oh, I'm sorry. I give it a 9.
A 9.
Yep.
Mommy, it's your turn.
I did it already. Now it's your turn again.
Okay, last one is
last one.
jackfruit.
We have jackfruit.
Okay.
Mama, you can go first.
Okay. Sweet.
Ooh.
Squishy. I don't want the squishy part. 3.
Okay, Hugo, give it a try, man.
Okay.
Julian's trying it. He's giving it a bit. Try it, Julian. Put it in your mouth, man. What do you think? What do you think, Julian?
Yeah, all bad.
They're all bad.
All right, Hugo, you gonna try it?
Yep, let me get a fork.
Okay, here's one for you. I got one here.
I gave it a 0.
You give it a 0? Right.
Tastes like squishy pineapple. I like it.
All right. What do you give it, Hugo?
I'm No.
I'm gonna try it too.
Water.
Where's
I
your
need
water?
water. Is that hard to eat? I need water.
What do you think, Ben?
Probably like maybe 6.1 out of 10.
So let's get. And Julian gave that one a 0, and Dad gives that one a 4, I think.
What about Mom?
Mom gave it a 3. Okay. So Hugo, can you put these in order? What was your least favorite to favorite?
My least favorite was the kumquat.
Yeah.
My favorite was the ribeye steak.
Yeah, and the middle one was the jackfruit, huh? Julian, what was your least favorite?
This one.
The kumquat. Okay. What was your second favorite? What was your favorite?
Eat a burnt part.
Oh, gotcha. Sorry about that. All right. What do you think, Julian? I don't like any of it.
They're all bad.
No.
That one's okay?
Mhm.
Okay.
And then what's next?
All right.
One?
Very good.
Okay.
All right, Hugo, you want to wrap it up?
Yep. And that was the taste test for today.
That was the taste test for today?
Yep, that was the taste test for today. I hope you enjoyed our new family edition. Yep, and I think next time we're probably gonna have only adults edition, or mom and Julian taste it, not me and Dad. So I don't. It's either gonna be those two of the next editions, and I hope you